Hi there, in this video, I'm going to show you on how you can delete apps on your Chromebook device without using the right-click button. And maybe your right-click button is not working properly, so you might want to try a different way to manage an app on the Chrome OS device. And fortunately, there are quite plenty of ways to uninstall an app on Chromebook without using the right-click button. So let's start with the first method, which is by using the apps menu on the settings page. So let's click the launcher menu, and I want to open the settings page. And after that, I will click the apps menu right here, the apps that has notifications and Google Play settings, and click manage your apps. And after that, you can click on the app that you want to uninstall. I want to install the app that says Via. This is a browser. Click on it, and then you can click uninstall, and then you can click this button again to uninstall the software. So that was for the first method. Let's try a different method. Another method you can try is by using touchscreen. So if your Chromebook is actually a tablet, you can just press and then hold the icon and then click the uninstall option on the app. So I'm going to use the touchscreen now. I'm going to tap the launcher, and I will scroll, and let's try the Via browser again. Okay, this is the app. I'm going to tap and then press the icon. Now there is this menu. I can click uninstall, and I can click uninstall again until the program is deleted from my device. I'm going to click cancel for now because we still have another method that I'm going to show you. Okay, that was for the second method. Now let's go with the third method. Okay, just wait a little bit. I'm going to scroll down, and okay, apparently this blog post that I made only have two methods, but in reality there are actually another method that we can try. So another method is actually by using Google Play Store. So I'm going to open Google Play Store. And after that, I'm going to search the app that I want to uninstall. Okay, allow me a second. There seems to be a technical issue on my device. Okay, let's click search, and I'm going to search the Via browser. Okay, Via browser, and I'm going to open the app on Play Store, and I have the option to uninstall the app. Click uninstall, and click uninstall again, and that's about it. So the three methods you can try to uninstall a Chromebook device without using the right click on Chromebook. Okay, but I think it is also worth mentioning that you cannot uninstall first-party app like Google Chrome, YouTube, and Photos, Google Drive, etc. They cannot be uninstalled because they are pretty much needed, and they are actually the apps that will be responsible for your Chromebook experience. So make sure to not accidentally or uninstall apps that you still need. So anyway, that's basically it. That's how you can uninstall or delete apps on Chromebook without using the right click on the device. If you find this video to be helpful, please consider subscribing to this channel, and I'll see you on the next tutorial video. Take care.